Morning, everybody. Welcome back. New live stream. We are back, and today is an interesting day because everything seems down in the world. Cloudflare is down, and being Cloudflare being down means many websites are down as well at the same time. The website we're speaking about, like Twitter, the X that we have right now, and many other more that use Cloudflare. It's a lot of people. So welcome back. Right now, let's evaluate what we have in NQ. In NQ, it's a bit of a weird situation. We already taken an important low here previously. So that kind of sucks. Fayaz, good morning. Morning, Alfonso. We took some lows here. We have a huge gap lower. This is the biggest gap still left, still not filled, still a possibility to come lower. So definitely a possibility, but we are in a situation of a bouncing area, right? We bounced here, we bounced here, we bounced here, we bounced also these days. So around these 700s, there is some buying pressure. Below, we might find some interesting situation to go lower to the gap and maybe more lower, who knows? But right now we really need to be careful about the situation. The 2500 are the level that might look for comeback, retest, but that's very far. So we have to go look at the 1 hour and see where might be a possible direction on this 1 hour. We'll grab these lows. We see it here. Some lows were grabbed. We didn't grab any highs that for the moment on this last period here. Does it want to come back? Grab some highs here to continue lower. Possibility, but we are already selling off nicely here already. I mean, let's see the situation how it evolves. This is already a kind of nice long here on the hour chart, but we're gonna wait. This is right now we're testing this area, is 750. Does it want right now to use this push to come lower? We'll see. We'll see. This can be an interesting. I'm gonna put a level here. It looks an interesting level. 750. I'm gonna put this level here, 750. This looks an interesting level. Or the chart. Going to the 50-minute chart, what we see is rejecting that level. So what would be nice, definitely. I mean, we already grabbed these highs here from these sellers. So the sellers that came selling here from this retest probably right now already got stopped out. So these already sometimes can be already a quick short. It can be interesting for a quick short already. Yeah? Will be like something even entering right now here. Stop loss above and take profit. You will go for this. That's already a nice risk reward there. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna take it, but that's interesting. Interesting. London, Asia, high up there, very high up there. Yeah, very high up there here. That's London highs. In Asia, this one even better. Yeah, this one is 9 p.m. So that's the Asian highs there. Because I already take the lows. Oh, you mean the lows of London? Take some Londons. We already take some lows from previous days, especially. Right now we are in this retesting area. That is interesting retesting area from my point. Is this one a possibility short? Right now we're creating more buying pressure. Shorting right now. A lot of wicks, definitely. Nicer testing area. I'm gonna leave it there until I see confirmation. I'm on Braba. I'm on Braba. I'm on Braba. Daily chart in gold. Gold is the one that looks interesting, guys. Gold. Why that gold looks interesting? I will show you why. Retesting area. We grabbed some lows. Bigger testing area. Big turning candle from red to green. Very beautiful push. what are the next level of liquidity in gold is all this liquidity grab that right now we already broke it. Oh my god, we already broke it before. I saw when I was looking at the gold, I was here, even here with an entry, but easy to say. So right now we have all these highs, 1, 2, 3, 4, never taken. We are back at these. We didn't take these highs yet. Gold definitely is the one interesting for push higher. Unfortunately, we did not allow that much of an entry. Why I don't full port? I'm not a hack. No, never full port. Especially PAs. Evaluation you can do. Good morning, Nick. For here for the dark class. Never want anything on them. Oh, sick. Not for you. You stay away. 482. This high here in gold. Can we operate gold in epics? Yes, you can operate. I operate gold. You can operate gold. Yes. Good morning, everybody. Apex website is down for the moment because of Cloudflare, but we have 80% off and $40 lifetime fee. So if you're thinking to buy, I think it probably is the best discount ever as a combination, because right now you'll pay $36 for the evaluation plus $40 is $76 to activate an account to fund it if you pass it. And you guys, congratulations. So you're gonna get your account tonight. We're already selling as well in ES. We're selling a little bit. That looks a nice short in NQ, but we're gonna evaluate. I would like to see. I want to take longs in gold. I want to take longs in gold, but I would like to see some levels to be taken out, and then finding some opportunity to, like, for example, if it comes back here and it grabs some lows and closing a nice 3-minute candle above, that can be a nice long to up to these next levels. These ones. What is this one? Where that level is coming from? That 4084. Where is it coming from? Yeah, let's delete that. So that is the one. I mean, I can put the next one here. So that I will be interested on gold. We're gonna look into it. We're gonna leave it there and see what it wants to do. Will be interesting. Will be really interesting to see it coming back. Availability needs. Is done. OnlyFans. Shit! I should not say things. Oh, you don't. I say the word. I hope the algorithm is not gonna say it. I say the word. Now I'm gonna be pushed down the algorithm. Thank you to you, Matthias. I will find you, man. I will find. I know where you live. I know where you live. Now I'm gonna see like bam, channel closed. I just say the words. And this piece of crap, they created a website with a name that is like such a normal name. You will not never think that is related to that. I mean, it's true that the website was never created for that intention, I think. I believe. If I'm not mistaken, website was not created with that intention, but somehow the biggest money was coming from there. So shorts are coming here. It does look interesting for my point for shorts. We grabbed some, so it's like yesterday. All these people that were shorting here and here had probably their stop loss here. They got stopped out, and now we might have the push to the downside. $130 up to $180 there. You're bringing more people, not the right people. You're bringing like that. Well, now you're not the right people. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Market is open? No. Yeah, market is open. Wow. Let's go. Let's wait. Hopefully we see a nice push here and we come back. Will be amazing. Come on, market, push and come back here. That would be the best things. No, non funziona. I don't think so. I don't think so. WealthChart is affected by Cloudflare. I don't think they use them. For my personal opinion, I don't think they use it. None of my buttons works on the left panel. Which buttons? The drawing buttons? The trading buttons? Which buttons? Coming back. Oh, that can be a quick short, guys, here. Grabbing these people here, but did not grab these ones. I'm gonna wait. I have the sentence before. Wait. Drawing buttons. Okay, let me check drawing buttons. I mean, if it's only the drawing buttons. Why am I freaking look at that beautiful short coming right now. That's beautiful short. I mean, it was a bit too aggressive anyway. I'm gonna wait. I want to take the best setup. I don't want to take the possible setup. What is the freaking WealthChart? Let me see if my drawing works. Drawing tools, horizontal line, drawing tools, X-ray. It works. Drawing tools. Yeah. Toggle trends line on. Yeah. Oh my god, the trend is off. Trend channel. It does work for me, my friend. No, I just checked because I'm just waiting to see what it wants to do. We're gonna leave it there. Oh, we didn't grab anything in gold. Would have been nice to see that little grab on gold to take the long. I would have loved to take a grab here in and I see nice lows taken in gold, and I would be happy to take this long with this. But right now it's a bit too much aggressive, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for NQ. Oh, ES took the previous. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, thanks God, I didn't take this short. Let me remind myself these words. I published them before in the learning channel, learning content. You don't need to be in the market to make money. Your job is to wait for the market to offer you an edge. Anything can happen, so taking only trades with clear probability is essential. Yeah, anything can happen, so taking only the trades with clear probability is essential. Thanks, God. Amen. Hello, Paul. Everyone, welcome back. Nice, no short. Wow. Moni Muhammad. London high to be taken. Yeah, it looks like that is coming here. Nice push. I'm looking for some gold to be low in gold to be taken out to look for longs. If not, I'm gonna chill on it. I'm wait. If we see these things coming back and closing candles below this area, I'm happy to take shorts. We grab these people. I'm happy to take shorts. If we see this first, it's gonna be a crazy 3 minutes candle if we close that aggressively, but I'm happy to take it. It will be even one macro because 2 macros will take me to $400 loss. But that's crazy. Look at that. Crazy. This is $186 loss with 1 micro. Wow. Yeah, and I don't trust these longs. I more shorty things, but 46 seconds and I will decide. This candle can be huge. $200. $22 seconds. But it's still, I like the fact that it took long the above and coming back nicely, aggressively to the short side. Look, you know what I'm gonna do to get a better entry? If he closes so short. Now I'm gonna give an order here. And I'm short. How much I'm risking there? It was written $180, yeah. $160. I could have entered with 2 contracts there at that entry. That's a smaller risk for the type of trade. I'm okay with it. $160. Yes, let's go. 18 or 19 green days in a row. Let's go, tomato. Payout. Did you take the payout? I'm gonna punch if you didn't get the payout. Let's see. It's holding right now there. So let's see if how it evolves. If it holds above this area, Afonso entering short. Oh my god, I have to call myself out if Afonso is entering short. We're right now done only $70, so it's fine. It does look he wants to go a bit higher. It's holding that level. Now the promo is on. The only thing is the website is down. So you cannot really purchase anything. Let me see Cloudflare state. Cloudflare said, we have deployed a change which has a restored dashboard service. We're still working to make broad application service impact. I mean, yeah, that's the most important things. Yeah, so it's not it's not really working yet. Buyers are there for sure right now. And buyers might stop loss hit. Let's see how it goes with mine. Bogdan, bye. Took a buy as well. Let's see how it goes for me. For the moment, I'm still short. Can we close this candle lower as well below this level? That will make it even better. 4 seconds. This candle is getting it's nice that it's still rejecting this area. Would be nice to push nicely lower. I'll move my stop loss to break even, but I'm done being your liquidity. I'm done. I am done. Please leave me alone, guys. I'm done. I'm just playing this rejection, but let's see how it evolves. It's really this area here right now. It's really this area. Wait, yeah, I might as well call it quick as well. If it does not come back lower quick, but come on, right now. All these buyers, get the freaking out of my way. Get out. Get a piece crap out of it. Be patient. I don't want to be patient. Sell the shit out of this. Opening print level. Where is my opening print level of yesterday? Here. Opening print level there. Can we break the opening print level? Gold is nicely bouncing there, but it did not give us an entry, unfortunately. Come on, let's break the opening print level. Let's break it right now. That's nice. That's nice. Continue lower. If we break the opening print level, that would be nice. Now we're holding. That's a horrible range right now. Look at this range. Yeah, as I saw it, that one. I saw it. It will. I don't think it will. I'm looking at the price action right now. This is the range that I'm not that nice. I'm just waiting to see how wants will evolve inside this range. Can we get out from this range, market? Okay, can we break? Break? Okay, break. 6 seconds, close. Go. Please go. Oh, yeah. Okay. Man, gold, you got lucky with that because gold right now is pushing nicely. Gold is pushing nicely. If we get these lows here, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. If we come back here, that's very bad. Even right now, I'll move it back. Double bottom. I'm trying to be careful. I'm looking at that pre-market lows as a target. And I was risking $170. Would be nice to see a little bit more than 1-to-1. Here is already 1-to-1. Gonna move my stop loss there in break even. And now it's a free trade. At least this one is a free trade. Come on. Come lower. Lower, much lower. This can rebound right now and stop me out. But being nice trade so far, nice trade. Can we get the lows? If we break these, can we get a nice push? I mean, right now here is already a nice take profit. We were speaking about a nice $180 there, but we're kind of holding these lows right now. So yes, we didn't take the lows yet. So hopefully we can get a nice still sell-off as well, thanks to ES. Yeah, this is a nice TP, to be honest. It's a nice TP. Let's see if I can get... yes. Yeah, no. I get your point in that one, guys. I'm looking 26 seconds. I might get as well, to be honest, that out here. Yes, out. I'm taking it. I will take it. And we look for the next trade. Let's go. No, I get your point, but I'm not gonna risk it. Let me take the profit. I will be out. I made more than 1-to-1 risk reward there. If we see something else forming, I will be happy to re-enter. If not, we leave it there. That's how much risk reward we made there. Short. Wow, I would have hurted mentally if we got if it's gonna right now eat my how much is there? 1-to-1 risk reward. That's the funny thing. This is a nice TP, yeah, because it's these previous lows. That's a nice TP. I really want one with a nice TP. It's good. But this is. I mean, even if it does come back here and hits my TP, the fact that it gets so close to my break-even order would have hit mentally. As Osek playing it. This is credit TP. Look, I took a short here and take profit here, and right now this is still selling off. Oh, gold! Gold is getting interesting for a long, for my point. I will show you gold. Gold is the one that I was looking mostly for longs. If we hold, oh no, we've taken this high. Did we? We've taken it. We've taken it. I mean, still very bullish. Looking for some lows to be taken to continue higher. It is interesting. Annoying that I already took the previous high here. On the hour chart, risk it for the biscuit. That's what the real. So this is like one possible high. This high, this high, these highs, all these highs did not take any previous high. So we have a lot of probably orders here above. Market is trying to continue higher there in gold. Will it go? We've taken this one. So that's why I was like, now if it didn't take it, I would have been interested of longs. But right now, I need to see some lows taken, a level to hold, to look for longs in gold. Right now it's doing it. This is already 1.8 risk reward there. Even more if you go to the next level, but I'm gonna leave it there and see how it evolves. But that's good, looks good. This looks good for longs in gold. But the only thing it bothers me why I'm not taking it is just because this one already previously topped the previous high. The fact that it topped the previous highs, that's why I'm like, did not take it. This was already what? How much I was risking here? 24, four contracts. 4 contracts, 5 contracts. 5 contracts there. Yeah, that's already 1-to-1 here. Crazy. 270. You were aiming for $500 there. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, this was a possible long, but we'll see how it evolves. I have it here in the chart because it's looking interesting for longs. Waiting for maybe for this candle to close above this level. Then I still can enter with less risk, of course, not 4 contracts, 2 contracts. It closes above. And even a bit more, 3 contracts, 230, 220, 500 there. We're gonna wait. I still have 1 minute. Let's go back to NQ and see what it's doing. NQ went to TP! Osek is the one who is right. He's like, my TP there. But honestly, mentally, this one would have been hard. And along in NQ, definitely let's see how it evolves here. So NQ we have, what do we have in NQ is the big gap here lower. This gap here we have a big level at just there above. So we have the massive gap here. What the heck is this level here? This one. This is a massive gap here lower. So if we don't hold this level and we use it as a, you know, breaker test and some liquidity grab, taking a short here to come here lower, I'm interested. I'm interested. And gold is still rejecting that area of level that was nice to take longs, so I'm gonna wait for it. Now, if I see a good trade, I'm ready to go and take it. I'm always ready to take a trade when I'm red. I'm ready to take a trade if I'm green. If the setup is there, I still have a lot of time. I still have 40 minutes. Down $70 is a great amount to be down. Thanks. Good job, Mohammed. Thanks for sharing it. You're doing good. If being down that's little, it's very good. It means you have good risk management. Very good risk management. So always evaluate your way on execution wise, right? You're down $70, but did I take the trade I had to take? Did I execute the well? Yes. Then you did amazing. You did amazing. We're selling nicely in NQ, guys. Oh, that's gonna be interesting, huh? A commodity trader, but it will be stressful and hard and free, and maybe they dump me after, or go work for a minimum wage, 800 euros, and invest to my trading. What would you choose as 21 years old? Well, wait, where do you live, non-cares? And two, what is your background? And three, free internship as a commodity trader. What is a commodity trader? What do you do? Is like trading, like stock trading, or? You're very young. You're very young, 21 years old, even higher than that. You can make mistakes. You can make mistakes when you are young. You can take something and be like, it's not the right choice. Let me change it. If you don't try in life, you don't know what is the right path. If you stay in the path of safetyness or being like, maybe this one, maybe another, try. You're 21. Try, make mistakes. After you, for example, let's say you get in the internship. After 4 months, you're like, fuck, I hate this shit. You leave. Try the next path. I don't know. Get married, have kids. don't listen to. Oh, God, just dumping down, guys. Thanks God, it didn't take that long. But where are you from, non-cares? Where are you from? You have to do the army. That means you are in a country where you're forced. Lithuania. You're from Lithuania, and I mean, I don't want to give you. I don't want to tell you choose this path, because that is your decisions and the help with people that know you better. The only advice, feedback I can give is you're 21 years old. Don't be scared to make mistakes. You're young. Learn from mistake, fail, keep growing, keep working, and no matter which road you take, no matter which one of the two you take, you're not sure it's going to be the right one. Probably you take the trading one, and then after 6 months you're like, I don't like this shit, I don't like it, I'm going to move to this path, go to the internship again. It doesn't mean that if you choose one, all the other doors are closed. You're young. Do something, try it, do what you think is the best, and then if it's not, don't hate yourself. You tried. Because if you don't try, you don't know. And you don't know is regrets after, when you're going to be old, and be like, why did I not try that things? But if you tried and you're like, It's not what I was looking for. Peace and love. Move to the next. Move to the next. You're not failing in life. You are trying. You're better than 99% of the people. Can you work a job and do the internship? I mean, a weekend job. A weekend job. Yeah, because I don't want to push you on something that I don't know exactly. I don't know exactly your life, how it's around. I cannot give you. I cannot tell you do this, but I can tell you, whatever you choose, don't be mad at yourself. Try and you will be happy no matter what. We're selling off, guys. We are selling off, and the next level is at 24.10. I'm looking for anything that gets created. You know, will be amazing to see. Come here, luck, plick, pluck, luck, lick, luck, luck, pluck, look. That will be amazing. How much you still have for your bachelor to finish? Because the internship is for your bachelor. The internship is connected to your bachelor. That's why. So because okay. I mean, if it's connected to yeah, make sure from January to May. I mean, yeah, definitely finish your studies. You're almost there. You're almost there. Finish your study. Yeah. If you're thinking to do studies and you're like close to finish them, yeah, don't drop the last year. Just finish them. For my personal advice. I mean, gold is yes sold off, but is holding. Gold is holding there. Gold is holding, guys. That looks a nice and interesting long. That looks an interesting long in gold. Let's see how it evolves in the next 3 minutes candle. Yeah, finish your studies. You're young. Finish your studies, and then even during your studies, you can keep trading, right? Even during your studies, you can keep trading, and trading does not have to be with money. It can be with your learning, studying, backtesting, trying and learning, backtesting. That's what it is as well, trading. And when you're back and you have some money, you're already backtesting the shit out of your strategy that you know it even without looking at the chart. News in 2 minutes. Good reminder. Thank you, Fayat. You trade best. The power of love. I wish existed something like that. The power of love. Tuesday we have factory orders and home builder confidence index at 10 a.m. Thank you for Fayat reminding that. Guys, we see each other, all of us at McDonald's. I worked in McDonald's before. I worked before in McDonald's. The worst place to work in McDonald's, guys, is the fries section. No jokes. The fries section is the worst. Wow. And you see this screen with like freaking 30 fries to make, and you like put potatoes, put the fries, put potatoes, put fries. No brain thinking, just put the freaking fries in it. I was like dying. I worked McDonald's for 7-8 months, I think. I swear to you, it was an interesting period. 26 seconds, guys. News is coming in 23 seconds. Beautiful down push, guys. Here, I'm happy I took this short. With 2 contracts, how much I was risking with 2 contracts here? $320. But the only thing is, I was not loving that much the trade to risk full sides. So I'm happy to risk it with half. Market now, news out. Or coming back. We'll see. Man, I since I was little, I always wanted to travel. Since I wanted to explore. But I've done many things before. I was 20. I had a website. I had one of the most Facebook page in Italy at the time, um, sharing videos. I had a website that made 30 million views in 1 year. I had many things that worked, failed, but I never had the right mentality. I had I did not have the mentality of accepting fail. So fail for me was a big thing. So if I was doing something, I was failing, I was giving up and move to something else. I was failing, giving up, and doing something else. Um, so I always wanted to travel and work and stuff like that. And then when I started trading, I started to have that mentality of like, I cannot get out anymore. I have to make this work. And then especially the last year and a half, like Josek here and other people, because we work together. We with the Apex we do a lot of coach events and psychology event, impact event, and then you realize that everything is mental. Everything is yourself, fighting yourself, getting better with yourself, and pushing. So find the moment you find the path, work on yourself, work on growing yourself personally and mentally, and keep and don't be scared of fail. Keep failing until you make it. You have to make it once. You can fail thousands of times. Do you think others will compensate for the losses today because of the bugs in Ninja? No. If it's Ninja related, no. What is the bugs of Ninja? Cloudflare? That no. If the impact is on the main broker, Tradovate, Rithmic side, WealthCharts side, then Apex might compensate, depending on the type of issue. If it's Ninja related, no. Then because you are able to flatten and handle all your position from the broker side. Since I was little, was same. I wanted to be a millionaire. Guys, we're selling off. We had the right mindset of like below this, we're just selling off. But yeah, market just did not want to give an entry. Do you think lower? So for my experience looking at the market, so I might say stupid things, but this is my personal opinion. Many times with big gaps, when we come, we don't break them and go lower right away. We come, bounce, and then we go much lower. But who knows? This is just speculation on my side, depending everything. But we have a huge gap here lower. Any short opportunity that comes here, any short opportunities right now that comes to come to this level is a nice short. Is a really nice short. But yeah, we're just selling off, so there's no really opportunity. There's really no opportunity right now to short. Yeah. Yeah, life can change so quickly. Imagine that my life changed last year and a half. I was a brokey. I had $200 in my bank account at 30 years old. $200 in my bank account, closed at home, no money, nothing. And I was trying to be a trader, did not have any, like I was ready to get any job. I'm a software developer. I have a bachelor and a master in security IT. It's not that I don't have studies. I studied the shit out of this, So I know it. I know I can get an IT job. The problem is I didn't want. I didn't like IT. You study that's what what I mean is sometimes you choose paths thinking that is the path, but then you start working and you're like, that's so means I don't like this. I don't like this. And imagine I studied for 5 years of bachelor, 3 years of 2 years of masters, or whatever, 3 years of bachelor, 2 years of master, and then to realize that I didn't like this word. Right? But you cannot come there and be like, I'm gonna do this for the rest of my life. No. You work on something that make yourself comfortable in life, because you don't want to spend 50 years doing something that you don't like. So then I started trading. I came back, I traveled and everything, and I was like, okay, I need to find any job right now. I need to find any job to pay myself the trading career. And somehow, by the lack of God, or just because I was really in the Discord of Apex Trader Funding all day. I was not doing anything else. I was in the Apex Trader Funding Discord all day and helping people. Yes, this is the FAQ. A payout, you need at least 2,600. I was helping people with random stupid question, really random stupid question. And one guy said to the moderator, "Hey, are you looking for developers?" And the moderator was like, "Yeah, send it to me, and I will let you know." And I was like, you know what? I don't have anything to lose. I'm gonna send her my CV too. And I sent her my CV, and I was like, "Hey, if you're looking for anyone in support, I know your FAQ properly. I know Rithmic, I know Tradovate. I can help you." After 2 weeks, I got the interview, and after 3-4 weeks, I got the job in Apex. And my life totally changed. I was full remote working, and I was trading with the company I was using to trade. And right now I have enough money saved that even if I leave this job, I can go for the next years without working and just trading every day. Crazy. I had $200 in my bank account. Crazy. It was it is interesting how life, when you realize how life can change in a matter of time, when you don't, you still believe in it, you still go and open a new door. It's crazy. So that's what we always think. We always think fail. I did a mistake. I cannot get out from it. You did a mistake. You learn. Go. Now, thanks to that mistake, you know that was not your path. I did a mistake of studying IT. I should have studied economy. At least I would have been in a class with girls. Instead, I was in a class of boys. I mean, for him, it's gonna be probably a long lesson that hurt. Yeah, I mean, some people here in Paraguay. I'm gonna make a video, by the way, about Paraguay, about coming in Paraguay, living in Paraguay, and taxes related reasons, everything. Because many people are interested of a country where they don't need to be even live here. If you're someone that wants to travel and trade and work remotely, Paraguay is an amazing option. You come here, you do your document, you don't have to live here. You can take your things and go to Bali. Bogdan, yeah, it's true. Life is that. That is interesting. Down 80K on oh my God, down for 40K. But the problem is 40K investment when you invest most of your money. That's the problem. If it's 40K of your 20%, 30%, and you're down 10%, you're like, it's okay. It's part of it. But if it's 40K of your entire investment, yeah, that sucks. Yeah, that's the. Let me start prepare myself. I mean, I still look at this. Let me prepare myself for the duck race. Duck race. Maybe the duck race website is not working because it's okay. I fucked up. Wait. Fucked up. Wait. I hate Windows. I hate Windows, guys. Tell me everything is blocked. Everything is blocked. Guys, everything is blocked. You still see me? Because I cannot touch anything in my screen in my computer right now. Everything is blocked. So right now everything is running. All my free screens are blocked. Because for work-related reasons, all the softwares I need are Windows applications. Rithmic is a Windows applications. That's annoying. I use Mac on my look. I'm not an Apple fan. I'm not an Apple fan, but if your softwares and applications work for Mac, Mac is the way. It's they have the best operating system. You can take a Mac and make it run without ever switching it off. Windows, after a while, you have to switch it off and switch it on, restart it. A Mac, I swear to you, I was going for weeks, never restarting that thing. It was always running nicely. But Windows, that's the point. Is the virtual machine is nice. For example, I have all my soft accounts in Rithmic. So it means I have to trade. If I trade Rithmic, I have to trade in Quantower. And if I trade Quantower, I have to running in a virtual machine. So right now we're putting back nicely, guys. Guys, from now on until 10:15, we have 4 minutes. You write from now on, after that last message of Bogdan smiling right now. I'm gonna put Bogdan from last message of Bogdan. So Bogdan is it? If you comment, you're gonna be in the race. Bogdan, Nick. If you comment from now to until 10:15, so we have a duck race after a long time. Jolan, Jolne, Afonso, Redoane, Traffics, Bogdan, Nick, Jolan, Afonso, Redwan, Traffics, Fayats. What do we have? Matt. Rate for what? I was drinking coffee. Rates for I don't know how much is it's $32. $32 is gonna be a 50K account. 9571. Nick, Afonso, Redwan, Jolan. Yeah, if you comment from now until 10:15, you are in for the race. We're waiting for a pullback here. If we see these things coming back and stopping these people, I would be happy to take short, because for me the short are still valid until we don't grab these lows. Now, Ninja Trader web platform, you can connect it only to Tradovate, not to Rithmic. It's the same for the mobile application. The mobile application of Ninja can be connected only to Tradovate and not to Rithmic. Because Tradovate and Ninja are married. If they had Ninja Trader, the main application, to as well in Mac, oh, that would be amazing. Let me see, Ninja. I don't think they have Ninja Trader for Mac app. I don't think they have it yet. Ninja Trader offers via an OS device and web platform, Ninja Trader mobile app, Ninja Trader web, and it is you must run. Yeah, you must run it in Windows environment. So yeah, for the moment it's the web and the mobile app. So, but not the things. Okay, guys, let's see how it evolves right now, huh? Because this can be a nice short. If we start to grab some people and closing lower, I'm happy to take some short. All these people here. I'm just looking for these next lows to be taken out. So right now we are five. I don't have that many people right now playing. We have Bogdan, Nick, Jolan, Afonso, Redwan, Traffics, Fayat, Matt, 9571. 1 more minute, 22 seconds. If you're watching the stream and you're not playing, guys, it's literally a free $32. Mohammed, you are in the last 10 seconds. In the last 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Done. To the respect of people that were here, The duck race is a duck race. You will see it soon. You're gonna have a duck, and if you win, I will send you through PayPal or Revolut or PayPal or Revolut. That's usually the two that work. $32, and you can buy your evaluation. But Daniel, I'm sorry, man. You got here a bit late. I closed it. I'm sorry, Daniel. To respect of all the other people that were here. Sorry, Daniel. I'm sorry, just because I promised everyone at 15. Let me right now, because right now I know. Let me see. Hey, I wish I was getting payouts. At least today is a green day, so I can do it, and I don't feel. Okay, let's see where I can put it right now. Trading captures. Welcome to the race. Welcome back, everybody. We are here for the race time. Welcome. And it's gonna be a race day. Race day. We have a 1 minute and 30 seconds race. $32. We are set. You need to add me just for participation. Just for participation. Let's put add. He's not gonna win. I promise he's not gonna win. But let's put him as a participation. Edit list. Daniel. Done. Set. We don't like this. We want to shuffle them a little bit more. Shuffle them. They have to be better. Shuffle. That's nice. Let's go. Welcome to the race of the Paul. You're late, Paul. You're late. Where have you been, Paul? As well, you're late. We are right now running. I should have an AD block here. Freaking hell. AD block. Okay. Yeah. I have AD block, but it's not working for this website. Let's get it. Nick is in the front, but we know that if Nick is, you cannot be in the first part. You cannot be in the first part. Traffic's from the back is the win, and the market is going down right now. Yeah, Bogdan trying to sell the Mac. 40 seconds. We are here. If Daniel wins, it will be so funny. 28 seconds. We have like, yeah, let's, okay, it's right now, last 20 seconds. This is the moment. Bogdan in the front, but we know it. It's the last 10 seconds, the most important. The last X is there. Matt on the top is running crazy. Matt or Bogdan? Matt or Bogdan? Matt is this. The Brazilian running to the win. Matt. He has won. Traffic second. Bogdan third. You won $32, man. Good job. That was a nice win. Good job, man. Congratulations. Congratulations, man. $32. I will text me later in Discord and we'll figure it out. Anti-doping test for Matt. It will be done. These Brazilian people are all freaking shredded with muscles. Even women at the beach, you're scared to approach them because they're bigger than you. Matt might be doped, but we don't know. We cannot do a doping test. Redwan said that the duck of Daniel slow me down, or he would have won. This is fun. If I was getting more payouts, I would be like, this is fun as well for me. And remember, guys, we have. It's time to remember it. We have 80% right now with Apex. Code Hamza as always, and $40 lifetime fee. Welcome. Oh, that is even better, guys. More people are gonna get stopped out. This is a beautiful shot. This is a beautiful shot, guys. This is forming even better than. This is a beautiful shot. This is getting interesting. Can you check the Discord? I can check the Discord if you text me right now there. Did you text me privately or where did you Matt? Hey, okay, Matt here. Perfetto. Perfetto. Sabino. Accept. Congratulations, PayPal or Revolut or whatever. I don't know. PayPal, I guess. Because you are from Brazil, you don't have Revolut. So I guess it's PayPal. I'm interested in your sexy gaps, Hamza. What is that What the heck? What did I read there? I'm scared of Mufti. I'm really scared of Mufti. Congratulations, Matt, for the win. $32. You let me know what is the best way to send you money, and it's gonna be done by today. You don't have to buy an Apex evaluation. If you buy an Apex evaluation, just remember to use my code. If you don't use an Apex evaluation, go outside some. I don't remember who was. I think Alex, long time ago, he told me he went and he bought. He went to McDonald's with the money. Yeah, do whatever you want. Is Cloudflare still down, guys? I'm curious about to see if Cloudflare is still down. Is it? Update. We're continuing investigation. Our sport parcel is currently explaining this issue. It's not red. Shit, it's still. Still issue, guys. Still issue. Still issue going on. That's crazy. Oh, guys, I'm looking at this short. If we close this if we close this candle below, I'm taking the short. Target will be this 400, this previous low here. If we close this candle red. That is an interesting short here. $142, 2 contracts. That will make it a $300 loss if we come back and short below this level. But maybe he wants to do retest these previous lows and then come back. So we might not take this short, guys, but at least we didn't short and we didn't get stopped out. We didn't get stopped out here. We took the short with our $200 almost. I would say it's a great thing because we're back on our main account at 51,119, making it a $1,400 drawdown, $1,300 drawdown. Crazy, guys. We were so close to blow up 4 times here last week. I'm just astonished about that because we were so close. Oh, we are pushing. Oh my god, crazy. Seven more minutes for this live stream to end for the moment. Yeah, I'm sorry, Mufti. I did it. Yeah, you missed. Yeah, what the fuck? It's you. What the? Where were you? Also, Paul arrived late. Daniel arrived late. I did it in the moment when the market was not moving in my direction. So distraction moment was fine. Okay, we're still down for the short, guys. If this thing start and close lower, I will take the short. And we're doing it. Oh my god, guys, we're doing it. Oh, guys, I wish we were 2 more minutes. Leaving these channels, you piece of crap. You will never leave me. Do you know scalpers with like no, that I know personally, no. 0.25, it means a 1 to 4 risk reward. Yeah, I will be just careful. I mean, you can. There are people with that crazy risk, and they make money, huh? Because you have a lot of wins and a small amount of losses. Activity Society has left many months ago. I was backtesting 90% strategy, but don't know if it's sustainable in the long run. I don't know. It depends on the strategy and everything, my friend. All depends on the strategy. And I know people that play with to make even 2-3 points in Nasdaq and have 5-6 points on losses. Crazy scalping, aggressive scalping. There are these people, and they exist. It's just a matter of finding your way, what you like. In that way, you're gonna trade definitely a few times per day. Nick has. I think that's what happened. That's what Nick went to look for activity trust site and just took him out. Ah. I'm just laughing about what Mufti said there. So guys, we don't have yet an entry, so I would like to see these things closing lower that level. So it's true. This is a nice liquidity grab. This is right now. It is a beautiful liquidity grab of this level, but to make it work, we need to close the candle below. So there can be still a retest, push, retest, push higher. If we start to sell below the level and closing below the level, then we can see it that way. But usually, if it's a liquidity grab, it should have already pushed lower. But let's see. Give me that long, Alfonso. What is that long? What did you take your long? What did you take your long, Alfonso? Give me one. Which entry you had? Here, guys, 80% is back with Epix, and $40 lifetime fee. I think this is right now is the best all-time high price. Like from evaluation to activation, the lowest ever. Competition-wise, we're getting in a crazy competition world in prop firms. I believe Topstem will remove the activation fee. For what I read in Twitter. And Topstep is as well taking Project X as their own personal platform. Crazy these things, because I know many firms, they use Project X, big one as well. They offer it, and some they offer even only that as an option. They don't even offer Rithmic or Tradovate. Right now they're getting destroyed because most of the contracts probably are annual contracts. So probably from New Year, Project X won't renew these contracts with many prop firms. Crazy. When I think about that, it's crazy. Guys, if we close lower, I'm happy to take a short, huh? Take a short, risking it's getting a bit too much. I don't want to risk more than I want. $170. We're gonna aim to make the 224 only if we close lower. If not, we are in peace. We are in peace. We are in peace. This has to close lower. 556. Oh, you're there. You're there then. You're almost there. You took a long here. 30 seconds. Out again. This piece of crap is still holding there. Out. Yeah, you don't have to push. Bravo, Afonso. You don't have to push when the market. Oh, it's getting there. Let's see how it goes. If it pushes right now, the last 10 seconds. 7 seconds. I'm liking it. as a break. It's not really breaking. The only thing is it did not really break lower. So let me read again what I said before. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where did I read? Where did I wrote it? You don't need to be in the market to make money. Your job is to wait for the market to offer you an edge. Anything can happen, so taking only trades with clear probabilities is essential. Anything can happen, so taking only the trades with clear probability is essential. Okay. Check done. Not taking the trade. Have a nice one, Afonso. Thank you for coming. Good job of holding yourself. No, don't need to make money. Look at this. Thanks God I didn't take the short. I would have suffered taking the short right now. I think I'm done. Just giving it these 3 more minutes. If we see these things coming lower and closing lower, I still down to take this trade because it still has a risk reward. Gold pushing in nicely there. Gold finally pushing there. How is the 15-minute chart in gold? Oof. Oh, that's yeah. Gold is making nice moves there. Gold is making nice move to push higher. But I'm gonna wait to see this 1 minute and 30 seconds candle. If it come lower and close lower, entry, stop loss, take profit, and then call it. So look, how is this support? If we close lower, I'm happy to take a short. We're closing lower, 50 seconds. Let's wait. But we need this candle to close lower. $37 seconds. If it doesn't not do it, I'm gonna close my live stream, guys. Yeah, that's it. I am loving the 3-minute chart, by the way, because it gives me enough time to think, to act, and I don't have to wait for a huge 5-minute candle to close lower. That's beautiful. So I'm loving this 3-minute chart. I guess these things is still holding the support. Maybe it wants to come a bit higher, retest this area, grab some more lows, and then come lower. A short below this level gives you like more confirmation that these things will go lower. Even short here and handling the stop loss here, I will be like, take it anyway. I'm done. Leave it there. Have a beautiful day, guys. This was a beautiful trading day. See you tomorrow. I should manage to come back and do the live stream. See you tomorrow, guys. We are up, I believe, $4,000. That's a great day. Thank you for coming as always. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy. Follow your rules. Follow your execution. That's the only things that matter. P&L is the result of it. Nothing else. Guys, see you.